Hey gamers, so if you play Learn the Heart, I'm going to show you guys how to download it onto your iPhone. So go over to the website zoomods.com, type in Learn the Heart, and as you can see guys, here's the game. So before it downloads, there's going to be a verification. This is the last step. So what you got to do is download 2 apps, follow instructions. So as you can see, it says missing files, so you just want to make sure you download 2 of the apps. So like Family Island says reach level 10, so I could do that. Underdog Fantasy says down and run for 30 seconds, so I could do that. So just make sure you do 2 of them. I'll see you later. But that's how I get Learn the Heart on your phone, guys. Make sure you follow the instructions and you're going to be all set. So there's tons of apps to choose from. There's a video to watch. But yeah, it's super crazy. So hope you guys enjoyed it. I've had no issues whatsoever. So be sure to try it out. But yeah, it's super cool, guys. So that's how I get Learn the Heart on your device. So yeah, there's a video you can watch right here. It tells you how to do it. But so yeah, peace out my crew. So yeah, I hope you found it useful. But yeah, it's pretty wild. So get the word out, guys. Enjoy it. You can get this working video for your devices. Learn the Heart.